Welcome guys. Let's do Digo Finance technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I'm going to show you my new targets. And if you want to collect these bonuses, Binance $710 bonus, Phemex $1200 bonus, Bybit $3500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $170 bonus. Total bonus $5,680. Just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links, click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free. You can trade with these bonuses are tradable. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. This is Digo 4 over USDT pair chart, and here you can see it is at $9.26 price. After creating top at $9.53, it is now at 9.26. This horizontal resistance is very important for Digo to break. Once it breaks this, in that case, next target will be this area. These all are immediate short-term targets, and after that $10, $11 and $12 are the targets. But for this, it have to break this major horizontal resistance, which is at $9.25 price area to $9.50 price area. This area is very important for Digo. Once Digo break this area, in that case, our big target according to the support and resistance base will be like this. And it can easily hit this target, $11.25. You can say our first target is 9.72, second target is 10.62, and third target is 11.25 and $11.54. These all are immediate short-term targets. Digo can hit these targets within some days. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume. There is good volume in Digo chart, that is very good sign. And let me please show you EMA ribbon, 4 hourly EMA ribbon. Digo Finance candles break 4 hourly EMA ribbon and candles are very far away. That is very good sign. And now this EMA ribbon is turned into support. And let me please hide this. And let me please show you RSI and other indicators. RSI is at 67 and it is extreme bullish, and that is very good sign. MACD crossover towards upside and big green towers, that is the indication price can further go up, and that is very good sign. We have to wait. But this area is very important because here you can see several rejections. Here you can see, here you can see, here you can see, here you can see, here you can see. This area is very important to break, $9.25 to $9.50 price area. Once Digo Finance break this area, in that case, definitely it is going to hit my targets. Let me please show you my second chart. This is daily chart, and let me please fix this chart. Here you can see it is in this triangle, and you can say it is a pennant type pattern, and this is the upper trend line and this is the down trend line, and it can face resistance after breaking this towards upside at $10.96 price area. And once it break this upper trend line of this pennant, in that case, our next target will be like this. And it is very huge, $16 price area. But before this, it have to break this upper trend line and $10.96 price area, you can say $11 price area. After that, $13 price area and $16 price area. These are our targets. You can say our first target is 10.96 in daily chart, 13.65 second target, and $16 is our third target. And after that, so on. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, daily volume. There is not a good towers, and that is why volume is missing. I think we need strong volume confirmation in daily chart in order to move towards upside. Digo Finance here you can see is about to close daily candle from this EMA ribbon, and that is very good sign. Once daily candle closing above $8.90, in that case definitely it is going to hit my targets very soon. Note down these targets, and let me please show you RSI. RSI is above 50 and it is at 54. This is very good sign, and it is showing that price can further go up, and that is very good sign. And let me please show you MACD. MACD daily crossover was towards downside, but now towers are changing their color, and we can expect crossover towards upside after some time, and this will be great signal for uptrend. We have to wait. These are the targets, and let me please show you my favorite indicator, CPR indicator, and it is very good and very authentic indicator. That is why I like it very much. Here you can see these yellow lines are main CPR lines, and daily candle is about to break this major resistance of this CPR, and now after that these CPR lines will turn into support, and this will be the huge support for Digo Finance. After that, these blue lines are major targets. This is monthly CPR targets. These are monthly CPR targets. First CPR target is $11.14. Second CPR target is $13.23, and third monthly CPR target is $15.56. These are monthly CPR targets. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this, and I hope I hope you can share this video with all of your friends, and you will. Please support me, and please like this video too. And if you want to grab these bonuses, $5,680 bonus, Binance $700 bonus, Fimex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $170 bonus, total $5,680 bonuses. These are absolutely free bonuses. Just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can find these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free, and these are tradable bonuses. Just trade with this money only and put your seed money away, and this is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.